Bohemian waxwing, sleek gray body, red-tipped wings, Northern Europe, Asia, North America. Flamingo, graceful pink plumage, long legs, Africa, Americas, Eurasia. Golden pheasant, fiery golden crest, red and orange body, China. Atlantic puffin, black and white body, colorful beak, North Atlantic. Blue jay, vibrant blue feathers, bold crest, North America. Wood duck, multicolored iridescent plumage, elegant shape, North America. Hyacinth macaw, largest parrot, deep cobalt blue feathers, South America. Keel-billed toucan, rainbow-colored beak, striking contrast, Central and South America. Scarlet macaw, bright red, yellow and blue plumage, Central and South America. Resplendent quetzal, iridescent green feathers, long tail plumes, Central America.